Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can open BUNQ account. So the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and get the application from the Google Play Store or the App Store from your iOS device. Now, you cannot go ahead and do this from your browser or your Windows computer, only on the mobile application. From there, you just want to head over to the application right here. And basically, once this finishes loading up, we have the ability to go ahead and log in or sign up to an account. Click on Get Started. You then have to choose the bank account for. Now, it's either going to be for you or for your business. Now, in our case, let's go ahead and get BUNQ for ourselves. And now this is where we can then go ahead and open our BUNQ account. Enter your email address, your phone number, and some additional details to go ahead and confirm that you are a real person. And from there, you will be able to successfully open up a BUNQ account. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.